A comparison between two financial platforms is being made to determine which one is best suited for individual needs. One platform, known for being a general finance app, allows users to invest, spend, and bank, offering 3% interest and 1% cashback. It also enables investing with as little as €1, making it an accessible option. This app originated in Germany and is now available in numerous European countries, including Austria, France, Spain, Italy, and many others. In contrast, the other platform is a trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and other products. It is available in many countries beyond Europe, making it a viable option for non-EU residents. This platform has a social aspect, allowing users to copy top traders and view expert analysis for each stock. For instance, users can see upcoming events and analyst forecasts for specific stocks, such as Disney or Spotify, with consensus ratings like moderate buy or moderate sell. This feature is particularly helpful for making informed investment decisions. Ultimately, the choice between these platforms depends on individual preferences. Those looking to solely invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or commodities may prefer the trading platform. However, individuals seeking a more comprehensive finance app that includes banking and savings features, in addition to investment options, may find the general finance app more suitable. If the savings account or credit card features are not of interest, the trading platform might be the better choice. Conversely, if these features are desired, the general finance app could be the preferred option.